All right, guys, it is white with a little blue trim. It has an on-off button right here, and when you turn it on, it spins. Look at that. What is it?
Well, I don't know how fair this is, but
You have one?
I carry one with me all the time.
Did you guys have a meeting?
No.
Well, you know how fussy I am about things being smooth. You ever go out
like
to
me.
dinner and the dining table might have a little burr in the corner.
Oh.
Just turn this on.
you just
I
buff it up?
out. Or maybe my armrest on my chair.
You travel with a portable sander.
Get on the airplane, you know, those you pull that armrest down, it's rough. I want to smooth it off. I want to have a nice smooth elbow.
You're always on edge. You're always on edge.
You know
You
that?
gotta be smooth today. You gotta be smooth.
Not even close, guys. You know, as a gardener, the one thing I hate the most?
Weeds.
Compaction.
Oh, compaction.
So I
had
have
some
to
stuff
go
the
in
other
a
night.
little area like this with my hand trowel, and by the end of the day, my wrist is really tired. Not anymore. Take a look at this. This is my
Auger.
mini tiller.
Your personal auger.
That gets to work. Much better than my personal auger.
Look at that. I can just
There
imagine
you
that
go.
dirt. Yeah.
Dirt flying everywhere,
Yeah.
and I'm a happy camper.
That'll solve your compaction issue, if you know what I mean.
You go camping.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Oh, looks good.
What?
Looks good on you.
What? You making fun of me?
No, I don't
Nice
have to.
tooth.
The dentist teeth.
Teeth.
You know, the dentist, they say to use these automatic toothbrushes.
Yeah. What do you do?
Because it's like for 2 minutes. But what do you do if you got buck teeth?
If you have what?
Buck teeth.
What?
Buck teeth. What do you do if you got buck teith? You go in there, that's just part of buck teeth.
Yeah.
And you get them all polished up and stuff like that. And don't even think about sanding my teeth.
Too bad you couldn't get the whole thing in your mouth.
What do you? Oh, hang on. Oh, no.
He looks like Albert E. Newman, doesn't he?
Oh, now what are we doing with the
All
ice?
right. Here's what it really is. This device has been designed to make a can of tonic or beer cooler faster.
What about
What?
root beer?
Anything. Watch this. This engineer has proven that if you put it in and spin it for a minute, it'll get colder 20 times faster than just leaving it sitting there.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Prove it.